I'm just out here I'm just out here on my little nature walk, like I do usually, and just looking at all the trees and birds and everything. Oh crap! What is that? What is that? Oh my gosh! I can't believe it! It's Scream. He's killing babies. There's 3 babies over there, and he's killing them. I cannot believe that. I can't believe he's actually chopping their heads off. He's killing babies. Oh my gosh! We gotta get a closer look at this. Ah! He saw me. He saw me. Oh crap! I better go. Ah! I can't get up. Oh my gosh! He's right there. He's coming. He's coming after me. He's still coming. He's still coming. Oh gosh! He's coming. His Scream's coming. Scream is coming. I can't get up. Oh my gosh, he's coming. He's coming. Oh no, Scream, please don't kill. No, Scream, please don't.